What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another edition of Dad Does Videos. We're in my driveway standing in front of our 2021 Kia Telluride LX, where you're going to show you how to replace the engine air filter within it. This is really easy to do. The product that I have right here, the FRAM CA11943, cost me about $18 or $19 off Amazon. I will put the link in the description if you would like to purchase it as well. This only takes a few minutes to do. If you take your car to a dealer, they're going to charge you upwards of $70, $80, $90 to do this. All right, first step. We are just going to open the driver door, and on the bottom left, you're going to see a little lever right here, and you can see the hood kind of popped up on it. We're just going to pull this, and it's going to pop the hood just a little bit. All right, and you can see our hood is just popped up a little bit, just enough for us to unhook a latch, which is what we're going to do next. All right, and right under the front center of your hood, there's going to be a little latch right here. You're just going to push this as far as you can to the left and then pull up on your hood. And there's nothing else to do there. The hydraulics, as you can see right here, and then on the other side, keep the hood in place. Next, we're going to find the compartment for the engine air filter. And as you can see, this compartment right here says air filter on it, so you know that's the right spot. There are two arrows on each side here, so we're going to grab right on top of each arrow and pull out, and that exposes our filter housing right here. There are little latches on each side. We're gonna pop those down on each side and then pull the filter out. This is what the filter looks like on the front. And as you can see on the back, it is dirty, so it's definitely time that we replace it. So here is a comparison of the old filter versus the new one right here. These, if you can't tell, these are the exact same dimensions. Now the original Kia part has the fancy locking system. We don't have that on our new system, but it doesn't matter. We're just going to push it in, and it's going to stay in place because of how the compartment is designed. So we are going to grab this on the end where there's a little bit more kind of leeway for you to put your fingers on. That's the part where we are going to push in. On this side, there's just not enough room to do that. So we grab it on this side as opposed to this side. So here we go, grab, and just push in all the way, get the bottom, push up, and that's it. And after you get that filter back in the compartment and close that compartment door, all we're gonna do is close the hood. And it's as simple as this. That's it. Thanks for watching, everybody.